Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter MS PowerPoint 2010 Special Effects. So, in this chapter, we will study using a template, applying theme, changing theme colors, changing background, adding a picture as a slide background, inserting clip art, inserting shapes. So in this chapter is all about MS PowerPoint 2010 and its special effects. So why we use this MS PowerPoint to uh, display, to present our views idea through the electronic presentation. So this is our, it is possible by the help of MS PowerPoint, and this MS PowerPoint is also, it is the product of Microsoft. Okay, so as we have studied about MS Word, so like this is also product of MS Microsoft, that is Microsoft of MS PowerPoint. So in this year, MS PowerPoint is one of the application in Microsoft Office. So this is the one of the application in Microsoft Office. Okay, this is the actually this MS PowerPoint is the Microsoft Office suite. Okay, this is the Microsoft Office suite that enable you to present your idea and views effectively through audio visual aids. So how we can how we can present, we can present our ideas view through the audio visual aids. Okay, means there will be audio also, there will be some visuals, means there will be pictures, some graphics. With the help of all this complete package, and we can represent our ideas or views. Okay, it also helps you to understand the subject better. Individual pages of PowerPoint are called slides. So the individual pages of the, means whenever you are presenting your ideas, means you will use some different pages. Suppose the first page I have taken, there I write only introduction. In the second page I just write about some particular first topic I deal that. In the second another topic I have deal. So different pages we have we are taking in the MS PowerPoint. So that particular page is called slide. That particular page is slide, and the collection that all the slides combinedly, means like 3 4 5, how many we can use, that all the slides combinedly, all the slides are called our presentation. Okay, and MS PowerPoint presentation is a collection of slides that gives you ability to make an effective presentation by adding text. What we can do, we can add text, graphics, photos, videos, animation and much more. So we can add these all the things: text, graphics, photos, videos, animation and much more. These all things we can add in our presentation, means in the slides we can add these all. So what is presentation? Presentation is a collection of slide. You have also learned that the information in a PowerPoint presentation is conveyed with the help of slides, and its content of each slide can be organized in different ways. There are various themes, background, effects available in PowerPoint that make more effective. So in this PowerPoint there is also available, like themes are available, backgrounds also available. So we can change it also, we can design it, we can write we can display, we can arrange it in a colorful manner, we can add the effects also. So different effects we can apply to the slide, to the text, to the images, to the color. So this all, because that makes much better, that our presentation looks good. So that is very attractively we can show our presentation. It will be very good experience to view your presentation, so that audience will accept your presentation nicely and can understand better. So that's why we can use these all things. So that fact what you must know about this: the first edition of MS PowerPoint was launched in year 1987. This year, must you remember in which year it was launched? The first edition of MS PowerPoint, that is 1987, and earlier it was called Presenter. what it was called, presenter. Okay, now we are calling this MS PowerPoint 2010. It is called as MS PowerPoint 2010, but earlier it was called presenter. What it was called, presenter. You must remember this. Okay, now next, template. Okay, so what is template? So we will study PowerPoint 2010 offers a variety of preset styled called templates to design slides in a presentation. Means when we are designing our presentation, so we need slides, because what is presentation? Presentation is the collections of slides. So there will be different slides. So already some design, means already some design slides are available, that is provided by MS PowerPoint. Some things, some slides which is already designed, no need to design, that is already with the MS PowerPoint. Okay, and that is called templates. That is called templates. Okay, you can see here, templates define the color, background and font of the style. So what template defines? Template defines the color, background and font of the slide. Okay, so simply you know what is template. Template is the preset style, variety of preset style which is provided by your MS PowerPoint. Okay, now as you know, when you open PowerPoint you get a blank slide to work on. So when you will open it, MS PowerPoint, you will get the blank slide. Okay, however, it is not necessary that you create your presentation from the default blank option. So it is not necessary, means like it is not compulsory that you have to start with that blank one. Okay, so what you can do, instead you can create the presentation using one of PowerPoint's ready-made design template. So it is not necessary you work with that white one that you get when you open the MS PowerPoint. The first page is open, which is the blank one. It is not necessary you have to use that one. You can use the ready-made design templates which is available with the MS PowerPoint 2010. This will save your time and effort, means it will be easy because you have to design and you have to arrange all the things. It will take your time, so it will save your time and efforts. For creating a presentation using a design template, follow the steps. What are the steps that we can follow? The first step, click on the file. Where you will click, here you can see we will click on the file. Then after, click on the new, here on the new, and the various available templates and theme will be displayed. You can see. Okay, you will see many ready-made design templates here. Click on each category to see the template available under the category. So there are different categories are there. So under these categories you can see there is the sample template. Okay, so in this you will see the different themes will be available. So you can see over here, click on sample template. So what are the steps? Step first, we click on the file tab, then after this file tab, then after we will click on the new, then after we will click on the sample templates, then after you can see click on the sample. After clicking on the sample templates, select the template. So you can see there are the different you can see these are the different already ready-made templates are there. So you can see the preview also. If you will just bring your mouse cursor over here, you can see the preview this side also. So how your theme it look like, which type of theme it is. Okay, you can see over here preview. Next, number third, the third step, click on the create. Where you will click on the create. The selected design will be displayed to your presentation. Okay, so this is our last step, to click on the create. Okay, so you can see, okay, here is the create option. This is the create one. So there you click on here, this is the create. So you will use this theme and you can use for your presentation. Okay, so now next is our enhancing slide design. Means enhancing means that particular some ready-made slides is already available, that is that set of that ready-made slide that we call template means some ready-made slide that is already available in with the MS PowerPoint. That all this that set of that ready-made slides, that's called also template, which is predefined styles are there. So now you want to also, you can improvise, means you can add, you can some customization you want to do, you want to change the color, some background according to your uses. So that is possible. So that we will study. So that is about enhancing slide design. We will enhance, we will increase, we will customize, we will add something. Okay, so design theme were introduced first in PowerPoint 2007. So when you start from which year, from which version you are getting design slide, means this facility enhancing slide design from PowerPoint 2007. From this version PowerPoint 2007 we are getting the design theme. Okay, so first time when it was introduced, in which version? That was PowerPoint 2007. PowerPoint allow you to work with many different color scheme and effects. Appropriate use of color and effects give life to your presentation. So it is really true. If you will make your presentation more attractive, colorful, and very appropriately, which is your eye catching, means that will take the concentration of others, take the attentions of the audience, means they can understand it better. So how it is possible? You will how betterly, how effectively you have customized, you have designed your presentation. So first of all we will see applying theme. Okay, so this applying theme, a theme includes a background design, color scheme, font type, font size, and placeholder position in one package. Every new presentation start out with the default theme called office theme. So every presentation which is start with the default theme, what is the name of, what is that? That is called office theme. What is that? Office theme. Always you have to remember what is office theme. This is the default theme. This is the default theme which is come with your, means if you will select the theme, that default theme is called this office theme. Okay, now next, which is a white background and black text. So how it is? It's the background is white and black text. Okay, so its text is black, and which type of background? White background. So this is about your office theme. Okay, PowerPoint has a number of built-in theme you can choose from. A really nice feature of design theme is that you can immediately see the effect reflects on your slide before making your decision. So you will get the many different kinds of themes, okay, which is available with your MS PowerPoint. So how you can use and apply? To apply theme in your presentation, follow the steps given below. First step is that click on design tab. Where you will click on here design tab. Okay, then design group. In this design group you will see show thumbnail of different theme. So there are these are the different themes. So this is the thumbnail of different themes. Got it? So second step, to see additional themes, means these are the these themes you will see at a time. So more themes you want to see, so you can click over here. There are the arrows are there, so you can click on this arrow. So then after you can see the some more themes which is available there. You can see these are the available themes with the MS PowerPoint. These themes is okay. So these themes are coming with the MS PowerPoint. It is already available. Okay. So when you point over on the any theme thumbnail, the preview of the theme will be appear on the slide. So what does it mean? If you bring your mouse cursor over here, okay, of any particular theme, so you can see that it's a changes, it's a means how it will look. You can see it's a changes to your slide, means you can see this changes or the preview on your slide. Okay, you can see where you will see it will appear on the slide. You can see on the this preview, you can see on the slide. To apply the theme you are to your slide, click on the thumbnail design you like. So which one you want to like, which one you want to use, simply you click on it and you can use it. Suppose more themes you want, suppose from here whatever the themes are given here, so you are not happy with it, means you want more one, so you can download also. So you can click on here browse for theme. So if you click on over there browse for theme, so more design themes can be downloaded from the Microsoft site by clicking on the browse for themes. So from here you can download more themes also from the internet. Got it? So this is about the theme. Okay, so got it about the theme. So in MS PowerPoint, what is the default theme? That's name is Office theme. Okay, now next is changing theme color. So after selecting styles of design themes for your PowerPoint presentation, you are not limited to the color of the theme. Means suppose some colors already you have applied or you got with the theme, but you want to change the color, so you can change. So you are not limited to the color of the theme as it currently applied. Means what are the colors is currently applied with that, you are not limited with that, means you can change that, you are not limited with. So each theme come with the default set of color scheme, as I told that. So in the each themes that come with the default color scheme, a color scheme consists of different colors used to design of a slide. It consists of options for colors for text, background, picture and picture, etc. To change theme color, follow the steps given below. So now I will change the color of the theme. Okay, theme color we will change. So how? The first step is click on the design tab, as earlier we have done, where here click on the design tab. Here you can see, here we will click on here this design tab, you can see. So click on the design tab. Then after clicking on the design tab, what we will do, in theme group click on the color, where we will click on the color, as you can see over here this design. Then after we will click on the colors, where we will click on the colors. Got it? We will click on the colors. Then after you can see there is a variety of different colors, your options are available. You can see these all different colors are there. So you can see these color options for your thing. Hover your mouse over the various color schemes. So you just scroll your mouse hover your mouse over these colors. So the current choice will be reflect to the slide. So whenever you will hover your mouse over these colors, so what you will see these colors changes will be reflect to your slides. You can see over there, choose a built-in palette or color, create new themes color option to design your own palette. So you can also design your colors according to, or you can make your color combination with the help of here create new theme. Okay, create new theme color. So you can adjust your color. So these are the colors which is already available. From here you can also choose and you can use for your slide. Okay.